In this video, we're going to look at the options that we get with the Start8 configuration. And you have to pardon me because this is actually the first time I'm using this. I've never seen it before. I just know that it exists. So if I make any mistake, then you have to pardon. So right now it's asking you which style of start menu would you prefer. There is Windows 8 style. I don't know how that looks. As you can see, this is what it looks like, and we can make it tall, wide. So we can make it tall, wide, large, and full screen. Let's see what are the okay. Every time I click away, nothing is happening. So this is the Start8 screen. No, we don't want that. Large and full screen. So however this works, but honestly, let's leave it at Windows 7 style. Let's go back, and default theme designed to match the square edge of Windows 8. So we can change, we can have a rounded edge. Let's look, that one is rounded, it's beautiful. Let's look at Windows 7 theme, default themes with black edges. Let's just leave that one. We can disable transparency, so we can disable transparency. Let's look at that. Now it's color. We can choose color, pick color. Let's just choose something different so that we can see the difference. Let's choose the lime green. Let's see what it looks like now. Oh, that is not pretty. Okay, let's just choose that dark red there. Right, what should the start button looks like? Flag, Start8. Let's look at oh, that is looking at the logo at the bottom here. And custom image. Let's look at let's leave the flag. So that's with the settings. Then let's look at configure. Use large icons. Should recently used applications. Open submenu when I pause on name with the mouse, like so. If you pause on any item, there's no item that we can pass on. Highlight newly installed programs. Yes. Show user picture. Yes. Allocate rooms for at least 10 large icons. Yes. Which shortcut do you want to on the right hand side? Computer, display as a link. So you have all this option. Favorite your downloads, your favorites, music, network, personal folder, recorded TV, recent items. What should the power button do? So when you press the power button, what do you want it to do? You want it to shut down, or you want to configure it to do something else? Let's look at control. Start button 8. What happens when you are on the desktop? Start button shows Start8 menu. Window key shows Start8 menu. So when I press the Windows key, like I said before, it shows this Start8 menu. I want to change that to Windows key show the last modern UI application. Windows key show Windows 8 menu. Okay, now let me try that now. Windows key. Yes, this is exactly how I want it. So now every time I press the Windows key, it takes me to Windows 8 menu. Show the Windows 8 menu when I control click the start button. What should happen when you're in the modern UI app? Windows key fade to desktop and show start menu. Alt corner should show Start8 menu. Start menu. Okay, start menu alt corner should show. Yep, I want this. So I want the start menu alt corner, this corner on the bottom left, to show Windows 8 menu as it was before. I don't want anything to change there. Show the Windows 8 menu when I press the right Windows key. So every time I press the right Windows key, it takes me. Yep. Don't have a right Windows key. Control plus window key, simulate right window key, press and stuff. So many options that you have here. Let's look at desktop. Which taskbar should the start button appear on? Show a start button on the main taskbar. Show a start button on the secondary taskbar, if any. How should the taskbar appear there? Where should the search looks for file? How should the new Windows? As you can see, there's so many options that you can configure here. I won't be able to look at all of them, but I can tell you it's all cool. So we're going to be looking at, we're going to be doing more videos to actually describe how some of this thing works in case you don't understand. I will do separate videos for each useful one so that you don't get lost. And this is the features that you can find on the Start8, and that is why it costs $4 to buy. But I have no idea why why they have the $49.99 option, because I'm not gonna spend that on a simple plugin. Or so this is how it looks, and we're gonna be looking at more videos later. Thank you.